Have you ever noticed your knees cracking, popping, or making strange sounds? If yes, watch this video until the end. You'll discover the truth behind knee crepitus. The sounds you're hearing are called knee crepitus, the cracking or grinding noise that happens when your knee joint moves. It's actually very common and can occur at any age. Studies show that about 41% of the population experience knee crepitus, which means nearly half of Americans deal with it at some point. In most cases, it's harmless and doesn't indicate a serious issue. But if crepitus comes with pain, swelling, stiffness, or instability, it could signal osteoarthritis. That means structural damage in your knees like cartilage wear or bone spurs. And when you see a doctor, you'll likely walk away with ibuprofen or a tube of Voltaren gel. These can ease the pain short term, but they don't repair damaged cartilage, so they can't solve the root problem. There's now a new gel that not only provides fast pain relief, but also helps repair knee structure. It's called UBIO Joint Massage Gel Cream, with natural extracts like turmeric, MSM, and peppermint to instantly cool and relieve pain, plus glucosamine, collagen, and chondroitin to support cartilage repair. This formula goes deeper than typical pain gels. This cream has already been sold in European pharmacies, and for the first time, it's now available in the US, exclusively on TikTok. If you're dealing with knee crepitus and discomfort, this is something you'll want to try. It's on a limited time discount. Just click the yellow cart below and start feeling relief today.